See, I made a red color card for you because I love you very much. Dad, you are my superhero. I made a cake for you, see? Happy Father's Day. I know that you love shirts very much. That's why I made a shirt for you. You are a world to me. A father is the one friend upon whom we can always rely. I mean that you are my best friend and I love you very much. Papa, piye piye papa, pyare pyare papa. See? आप क्या मेरी फोटो? I'm very very lucky to have you. That's it. I love you, I love you, I love you. My handsome dad. Eee. Balloon, see, I have made this balloon for you.